everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know recently I've been uploading a lot of videos about small business, but I don't want to do only that because the USP of my channel is do-it-yourself projects. Recently I was going through Zara website and I saw this pink backless top and I was like, I have to have it, and then I realized it's pretty simple and I can make it myself. And I also thought if I'm making myself, I might as well show it others on how to make it. I'm in love with backless tops lately. I made this ruffle top and then I made this skull neck top, both backless. I'm clearly obsessed with backless tops because it looks casual in the front and sexy at the back. You can always wear a jacket for these tops in the daytime and remove the jacket, when you're going out in the evening. I actually wanted to make it in pink only, but I don't have pink fabric as of now. So I thought, I'll make it in black because black is always safe. When in doubt, go for black, right? And also the straps on the back in black will look nice. I have this black skirt which doesn't fit me anymore, so I thought I might as well make a top out of it because sustainability. Talking about sustainability, recently Zook sent me this lovely bag. It has a nice ikat print fabric and the leather is vegan. These bags are made in India and are PETA approved, and also the prints are inspired by the culture of India. How lovely is it? I can't wait to style this with most of my clothing because this will go with both Indian and Western outfits. I'll be styling this in the end of the video, with the tops that I'll make. And also you can get 15% discount if you use my code. I'll leave the code in the description below. You can use that. I'll also link their website so you can go check them out. Let's begin. So I took my old skirt and removed all the stitches. Yes, it was time consuming, but I had Real Housewives of Beverly Hills company. Don't judge me for watching it. I ended up removing all the stitches of the lining as well. And then I took one of my top which has princess seam in it. If you don't have any top which has princess cut, then check out the link in the description below. I found this tutorial very easy to follow for princess seam. And then I took a grocery bag to draft the pattern because I'm classy like that. And then I traced the pattern to paper using wheel, using pencil, using my finger, literally whatever I could. So for this top you would need only the front patterns. Once I was done marking everything, I cut out the paper pattern. And then I folded the fabric and placed the center part of the top and pinned it up and cut it out. Also, I recently got this rotary cutter and cutting mat, which has been really helpful. I did the same with the side part of the top as well. And I also ended up cutting the lining in the same manner. Make sure to leave margin before cutting the fabric. So now we have 3 front panel of the main fabric and 3 of the lining. I'm gonna stitch over here and I'll do the same thing with the lining as well. And then I just placed it on me to see if it is fitting fine, and it looks pretty much fine. So at this point, if you want any adjustment that has to be done, you can always do that. And then I ended up cutting the straps at 45-degree angle. Yes, I thought I will never have to come across mathematics in my life when I quit science, but here we are. So I marked 1-inch strap and cut it out. At this point the battery of my camera was dead and I thought it was recording, but it wasn't recording, hence no footage. I ended up cutting the straps straight and then placed it perpendicular and stitched it over here. And then cut out the extra fabric. My scissor is the epitome of my career right now. It's slow and going nowhere. And now I have a long bias tape. And I folded it and stitched it by leaving enough space to insert a needle. and then I cut out the extra fabric from the strap. And then I took out a big needle which I had and inserted 4 strands of thread into it. So I have 4 on either side. Now I'm gonna insert it inside the strap that we just made, and then I'm gonna tie a knot with the loose end of the thread, and I'll insert the needle on the reverse side and then start pushing it. So basically it's a push and pull game until you get the one side of the strap to the other side. So yeah, that's literally it. So this is how my straps ended. Maybe next time I'll do it more thin, but this will work for now. And then I folded the strap to figure out how much do I need for a loop and then cut it out. And then I ended up cutting 5 more of the same size. And then I marked a point near the armhole, and I also marked 2 more points by leaving 2.5 inches gap. This is where I'll be adding the loop. On the right side of the main fabric, I placed a strap at the starting point of the princess seam and placed the right side of the lining over that and pinned it up. I did the same thing on the other side as well, and wherever I had marked the points for loop, that's where I added loop as shown in the video. The loop should go inside, so once we reverse it, it will be outside. At this point I feel like I'm not good at instructing, but anyway, just follow the video on how I pinned up the loops. Once everything is pinned, I'm gonna stitch it all the way around by leaving enough space to reverse the top. And then I snipped it around the curved points of the neckline. At this point I couldn't control my excitement, so I reversed it. Once I reversed it, I stitched the space which I had left to reverse it by hand sewing it. And it was time to iron everything to keep everything crisp. And then I inserted the strap to the loops as shown in the video. This turned out pretty good, and the best thing about this top is you can wear it with sari, you can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with skirt, with literally anything and everything.